Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is what I got today. I got this propeller guards, and this propeller guards is designed for Tello. And the good thing about Tello is the fact that even though this one has already been out for a while, it makes it comes with a bunch of accessories for it. So this one right here just came out, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, what's it all about. I actually got the first prop guards, one of those dome. I don't know if you guys seen to my channel, but it's a PYZN prop guards, and what it is, it's like a ball. But the bad thing about that one is the fact that this is you see these guys here. This one right here is the comes with your Tello, and this prop guards is actually much stiffer, and PYZ I think PYZ propellers, I'm sorry, propeller guards is like a dome. It's like circle, but the drawback is it's really flimsy, so when you hit an object the whole propeller guards just go through and destroy your propellers. And I actually tested it outdoor, indoor, and I didn't have no successful for it. And that's the reason why I don't have it now. But the only thing that I actually kept is this stock propeller guards. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it out with this guy here. What's it all about? This is actually designed for Tello. I think they also make this for the DJI Spark. But today I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about it for the Tello here. And just letting you know also, if you have this guy, it's they still make a lot of accessories for it, and I still recommend it. If you have a Ryze Tello, I would recommend you to have one of this to-go power bank charger, because you can charge everything 3 batteries simultaneously. It'll charge all 3 battery in like 20 minutes or 30 minutes or so, depending on how low your battery is, instead of you charging it one. This is to go. I also have it for the Spark. I also have it for the Mavic Air. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this, because it's much, I actually using it multiple times and I had no issue with it. I had excellent time with it, and I would recommend it for someone that especially like to do flight time, and especially if you're outdoor or you're gonna go somewhere that you don't have no power bank, is a way to go. Like for instance, if you're at the beach and you don't have no access to a plug-in, this is a way to go. And you can also charge your battery, your cell phone. You have the USB here. You can charge your controller, or you can charge your, you can even name it, for it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and try this guy out. That's what it's all about. And let's see what this guy's they're selling this for, I think, I forgot the price. I'll go ahead and give you guys the link. I just got excited and I just ordered it. I'm like, oh, this looks interesting, and hopefully it's not gonna give me no issue with it, because the one that I had before, I had an issue. It's actually it's supposed to be protecting your propellers, but it's actually chopping it all off and lock it down. So we'll just go ahead and see what this guy, and I'll give you guys the link, how much exactly this one is, and go from here. And if it's I'm gonna and here you go. It seems flimsy. Seems flimsy than the stock one, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out. For $18 or 20 something dollars, you would expect something to be stiffer, but we're gonna go ahead and see. It is much stiffer than the other prop guards I have in the past. And you got that piece right here, also has that rubber. So if you do put this on your Tello, it's not gonna damage. And also guys, the reason why I purchased this and got my interest, because it's the fact that if you're gonna go somewhere, you can just use this as storage. You can just go ahead and mount this here and you're good to go. But we're gonna go ahead and see how this thing, is it easy to clamp on? Yeah, it's really easy. It's much easier than the PYZ propellers. Yeah, this one is actually easier to put on than the stock propellers. But we're gonna go ahead and check it out. And here you go. It's much stiffer. You know, this is the stock propellers for Tello, and it's stiff. And that's what you want. Not flimsy. You want something that is hard, that is not gonna hit anything. But the good thing about this, it matches with your it matches. It looks like it's made for the Tello. And let's see here. Let me see what else. Yeah, it looks nice, man. So I'll definitely go to I'll go ahead and get the link. Go check it out. And what else it comes with? Oh, we even give you a thank you note. Yeah, just to if you have any issue or anything like that, it gives you the instruction how to put it on. I mean, it's really easy to put on. And let's go ahead and see what this guy's all about and go from here. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And yeah, but this one is interesting. You have enough coverage here, so you will not, when you have your video. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out on this guy here, if it's gonna cover. It's gonna cover the, if it's gonna show this, because on the other propellers that I got, propeller guards, it shows some of this stuff here. But I'm gonna go ahead and check this guy out. It's all about. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.